You think you're gonna win?
Yeah, I do.
Hey! Alright, so it's really hot outside, so I went to the store, I got a nice bucket, I filled it with water, we're gonna lay down on the ground. You wanna see water? I got water right here. So, we're gonna lay down on the ground on our backs. We have long socks that'll go up to here. We're gonna bounce it on our feet, upside down, and one at a time, we gotta take the sock off. If that makes sense. You'll see how it happens.
Yeah, stay tuned.
So,
all right, we'll get set up.
I don't know how it's gonna work. Just ready? You
ready?
All right. Feet up.
You think?
Yep. Have fun with this.
If Lindsay could put it on.
I think we're too far
Yeah,
away.
scoot in. Scoochy, scooch. Ready?
Oh, geez.
Come on, y'all gotta balance it.
Kind of far.
Y'all gotta
Hold on,
balance
I need
it.
to get underneath. Sorry.
What are you doing?
I need to get underneath more. My legs aren't as long.
You good? Hey,
No.
look what are y'all doing? Bounce. Balance.
Oh God. Oh God.
You good?
Oh,
Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, go.
This is scary.
This is scary.
Okay, now
Hold
you gotta.
on, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on, you're going towards Jake. Jake, you need to push.
Hold on, no, don't ruin it yet.
I'm not even on it.
Who's
Okay,
first?
Jake, put your feet down a little bit here.
Where?
You're going too high.
My right foot isn't even on it.
I know. Emily, put your foot up. Put your foot up.
I am. Okay, there.
This is the
Who's
game
first?
itself.
I'm getting tired.
All right,
All right.
hold on.
I'm going first.
Wait, I'm not set.
Oh, no, your feet aren't set. You need to put your... No, no, no. You need to put your right foot on the outside.
Oh my
more.
gosh.
I'm trying to get there.
Oh.
Okay. So we rock, paper, scissors.
Huh?
Why it's going higher to Emily's?
Okay, I know.
Oh,
we need
God.
to lower it down, all over
Yeah,
down.
there you go.
Okay. Who's going first?
Okay, Jake, go.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Oh.
Emily,
Okay.
now make up the difference with your other leg here.
Ah! Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
You good?
All right. Let me reposition. Yep.
What, are we doing the right foot?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh man.
Hey, put your foot back up.
I gotta rest that.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You need to redo your leg.
I got the longest legs here. This is too hard for
My
me.
foot's cramping.
Okay.
Okay. Jake, you're up. Uh-oh, it's gonna jump. It's gonna jump. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Whoa, whoa.
My legs are-
Okay.
I'm cramping.
I know your foot cramping. My right foot's cramping. All right.
All right. Here we
I
go.
gotta do my left foot.
Whoa, whoa.
All right, you got it?
Yeah,
Oh,
right there,
God.
right there.
It's gonna tip.
It's going. Why are we twisting it?
Oh, God.
Are you ready?
Yep. Oh, God.
You ready?
I feel like
Yeah.
I'm not even under it like you
I
all
know.
are.
Why y'all?
Why are you...
Why are we getting lower and lower to the ground? Can we go up a little bit? Whoa.
Don't you dare dump it on me.
Come on.
That's a
Hold
lot
on.
of water
Y'all
to
ready?
the face.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Emily.
I'm
Support.
not doing
Support.
Look at that.
Support.
Oh, my
bored.
legs are burning. Come on.
Hold it. Emily.
I
You're not doing
am.
your job.
Oh,
Oh, I wasn't even expecting that. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Well, that worked out. Woo. I was getting ready to try to dump it on Emily.
Really? I saw it going, but I couldn't stop it.
Oh, my legs were burning there. That was a workout.
That was a workout. My feet were starting to cramp. You pausing it?
Alrighty. Well,
How does it feel? Did you expect to get wet?
no, I was like adjusting my eyeballs to the sun, and all of a sudden I got. Oh man.
Man, all right. Well, they all have fun.
Was it refreshing?
Yeah.
since it's so hot out.
Alright. Guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and
See you on the next video.
see.